Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to set two-factor authentication on your Binance. So for this, first of all, you have to open your Binance application in your mobile. Now simply tap on this Binance icon or the profile icon in the top left corner. And now when you are here, you have to tap on this arrow beside your name. Then you will see these options. Tap on this security. And when you are here, you have to tap on this arrow beside your name, then tap on this security and you will see authenticator app here. Just tap on it and now tap on this enable and you will see here enter 6-digit verification code sent to your Gmail. So you have to check your Gmail and then you have to enter the code here. So after entering the code, you will see this link and authenticator. So what you can do is you can copy this 16-digit code here and then you can go for Google Authenticator application you have already installed on your mobile. Then open it up. Now tap on this plus icon and tap on this enter setup key. Now you can give name here, like I am going for this Binance, and then you have to paste the key here and then simply tap on this add, and now your authenticator app is connected to your Binance. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.